Yeah, there's definitely a run going on. One in. Good morning. Well, if you follow me on Instagram, this is what you hear every day. And today I'm going to show you the area where I live and my early morning routine. Asok is one of the most popular areas in Bangkok to live for the foreign expats. And I live in this area as well. That's why every morning I do my bike routine and I will give you guys the updates of this area and the updates regarding the weather. It's around 7:30 now, Saturday morning. And as you can see, there is not too much traffic, so a perfect early morning bicycle ride is in order. Here we are at Times Square. And what I will do is I will turn left in Sukhumvit 10 and then I will show you the Benjakittie Park, how it is at the moment. So here we are in the entrance of Soi 10. So if you want to go to the park, you can actually go to Asok BTS station. That's where I started this video, and then walk through here. Another option to get to the park is also to go to the Queen Sirikit National Convention Center MRT station, and then you walk straight into the park as well. Yeah, so it's Saturday morning, which means a lot of people are doing their early morning exercise now. So the park is going to be busy. This is the Bangkok Community Help. If you want to donate presents for the kids or you want to help, then you can come here. And I made a pretty nice video about that a few days ago. Yeah, so I'm using my regular bike. I always get questions from people that ask if I use an e-bike. No, I'm just working. I don't know if I can show it. So here you have the entrance to the park. It's funny, this dog is always here, silently guarding the entrance. So this is the Green Mile, or this is the beginning of the Green Mile. And there used to be always a very nice tree that was hanging over here, but unfortunately it broke down. Here in front you have the dog park. So this is a specific dog park, which is something special in Bangkok because most parks do not allow dogs. So you can come here and walk your furry friend. I'm not allowed to bike in here. So let's go to show you the bicycle round. There are 3 parks here. The first Banjakitti park is over there where people mostly walk and run. And the second one was constructed here about 10 years ago. And I'm gonna show you the new Benjakittie Forest Park where you can actually bike around. In the back you have the One Bangkok project. And as you can see, it's busy. A lot of people come here in the early morning to do their exercise. And you have to imagine Bangkok is a city that is so warm. This is the hottest city in the world. Well, if you look at major cities on average. So if you want to do anything, you come in the early morning. And then of course on Saturday or Sunday when everybody is free. A lot of times they also organize runs, so I don't even know if there is something special going on. It seems that people are having One in. So this is a dedicated bicycle lane. Yeah, there's definitely a run going on. There's almost every weekend something. So let's see if I can see what it says there. I don't know. So I didn't know, but there seems to be an event, which is always nice to join. So yeah, so you have a walking lane and a bicycle path. Walk and run. Not sure which one it is. This is something that you see a lot in Bangkok. You know, in the early morning on the weekends there are always activities like this. So if you are an avid runner and you want to do exercise, then go and check it out. Yeah, this is definitely called walk and run, so I don't know if this is a weekly organized thing or just now. Yeah, and I guess these people here are the people that are just regularly running and doing exercise anyway. You can see the buildings on the Bangkok one are, I'm not going to say almost finished, but you can really see them taking shape. Cap. Hello. This is a well-organized run, I can see. They have the water points and the medical stations. Yeah, so this is something that I do on a regular basis, like a couple times a week. I come and bike here in the early morning. And normally on Sunday and Saturday I like to go through the traffic because then it's safer, and this I can do every day. Here you have the entrance from Sukhumvit Soi 4. So let's get out here. So we are at the back of Sukhumvit Soi 4 here. And from here you can walk towards the Planchit BTS station. Anyway, I just wanted to give a short update regarding the park here. As you could see, it was busy. This was also because there was an event, but there's always people running around there in the early morning. If you enjoyed this update, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.